Is Tesla planning to set up its Gigafactory in India? Setting up the Tesla plant near either of Kandla or Mundra ports in Gujarat would help the electric vehicle company save on logistic cost. After several years of speculation, Tesla Inc. has finally entered India. Elon Musk has registered the company in Bengaluru with a new R&D unit at Lavelle Road. We'll know more about this in a while. Tesla has also been in contact with several Indian state governments, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, to set up its Indian operations. However, it is recently learned that Gujarat is most likely to be selected for setting up the Tesla assembly and production plant. There are two major ports of Kandla and Mundra in the state of Gujarat are being planned as possible location for the Tesla plant. Having a plant closer to port would help the company save on logistics, while it will also adhere to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of port-led development. The setting up of the plant in India would involve massive imports and assembling, and hence location near to the port would be an advantage. Also, Gujarat being a major manufacturing hub for both auto and auto components would also be beneficial.
We will now see what's the current status of Tesla's entry in India. World's richest man Elon Musk led electric vehicle company Tesla registered its subsidiary in Bengaluru under the name Tesla India Motors and Energy Private Limited on January 8, 2021. The company has an authorized capital of 15 lakhs and a paid up capital of 1 lakh according to the MCA filings. Mr. Vaibhav, Mr. Venkat and Mr. David has been given the responsibility of spearheading Tesla's Indian venture. Vaibhav Taneja will be Tesla's Chief Accounting Officer. Mr. Venkat, who will be looking after Tesla's distinctive direct-to-customer retail model that bypasses the need for brick-and-mortar showrooms and service center. Mr. David, meanwhile, has been hired as Global Senior Director. Now let's see how much do Tesla cars cost in the US. Model S starts at $67,920 US. Model 3, which is the probable one that will be launched in India in November 21, starts at $36,490 USD. Model X starts at $78,490 USD. And Model Y starts at $40,490 USD. The two major rivals for Tesla in Indian market are Tata and Mahindra. India's e-vehicle infrastructure is not that great either. India currently has reportedly around 500 to 600 electric vehicle charging stations only. In a push to e-vehicles in India, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari has announced setting up infrastructure for one e-charging kiosk at around 69 to 70,000 petrol pumps across India, but that's way too late and way too little for a company like Tesla to be fully and functionally operational. On top of it, 100% import duty is levied on completely built up vehicles that are sold in India. Whichever Tesla car comes here first will have this duty levied onto it, unless the government gives some concession. Reportedly, Model 3, which is the most affordable model in Tesla's lineup, will likely be first to launch in India, but still the price will not be less than 70 to 80 lakhs. Two major challenges are number 1, EV infrastructure, and number 2, pricing and the customer base. That's it. No matter what, Tesla has entered the Indian market and it will positively impact the whole EV ecosystem. Let's watch the future unfold. Thank you.